how to buy crypto on KuCoin mobile exchange with credit card. If you want to buy crypto on KuCoin mobile exchange using your credit card, now first of all, you can't directly buy with credit card, but you can actually buy with your bank account where your credit card is linked. So even the credit card isn't a direct option, you can actually just choose to buy with your bank account. So you can simply open up the KuCoin application here, select anything that you want to buy in this case, and once done you can just go ahead and then tap on the buy option, tap on buy. You can simply try to also set a trading passcode over here, and once you go ahead and select the passcode and send the verification, and you'll be able to select your payment method and stuff to buy on KuCoin with your credit card or your bank account as well. So hope this video helped you as to how you can buy crypto on KuCoin mobile exchange with credit card. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.